Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Fabulous Storytime. My name is Malaya, and I'll be reading with you today. We have a recipe we're going to be looking at today, a book recipe. Let's find out what's in the recipe. How to Bake a Book by Ella Burfoot. Source Books, Jabberwocky. I am going to bake a book. I'll break some ideas into a cup. I'll beat them, whisk them, and mix them up. I'll weigh out the words just enough. Choosing the right ones can be tough. The small ones go into the pot, and I'll drop some big words from way up. Now that my story has begun, I'll cut out characters one by one. Feelings, colors, sounds, a picture, all add flavor to my mixture. I'll add a watery word or two. I'll pour them in and stir them through. Now I'll put a lid on it. Wait a while, let it sit. It's not until I roll it out that I'll find out what it's all about. And now I'll lay it in the tin so my characters can all jump in. Next, in the middle, the action, the filling into the pan without any spilling. Now all I'll do is simply add a spoonful of good and a pinch of bad. Turn up the heat, the bubbles quicken, and then my plot begins to thicken. Each sentence will taste much better if I add periods and capital letters. I'll find them in a moment. I've seen them myself. Here they are, big cupboard, top shelf. Finally, the ending, I'll press it down and add decorations all around. I will glaze it with happiness, leave it to cook. Then bake it, brown it, and finish my book. I turn the pages and I can see that my recipe has turned out tasty. I've done everything as the cook to make my story a delicious book. I bet her book is delicious. I've never seen a recipe like that. So intriguing. Thank you for joining me in today's book read. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.